everyone, this is Cynthia from ORIEMAC Machinery. Today I'm going to introduce LINDE Forklift to you. As we all know, LINDE is the top brand of forklifts for long years, always well known for its quality and durability. Well, the forklifts are ready. This model is EP35 and it is 3.5 tons loading capacity. Now, and also it is a lithium battery model. Now, more and more customers prefer lithium battery forklifts because of their easy maintenance and long life. First, let's see its cabin. It is equipped with AC air conditioner, which provides suitable working area for the drivers. Also, it has 4 levers, more flexible to operate. Finally, here is the split push-pull made by Cascade. It could help customers realize high-efficiency handling and stacking. Above all are the main features of this forklift. Except LINDE, we also have Hangcha, Heli, and other brands forklifts. If you need, please contact me in time. Also, we have other construction machinery. Hope we could help you to achieve one-step shopping in China easily. See you next time. Bye.